What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Bananita Dolphinita from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin on the top left side of our page with the beak. We're going to start up here with a point. Let's curve the beak going out. We'll round this out, go across, and then bend that up. Now from this point, we're just going to add a curve coming in and then down for a fold. Let's draw the bottom of the beak. We're going to step down, curve this around, and pull that in towards the chin. And we'll add a wrinkle. We're going to step back, come down, and then in. Let's go back up to the top of the beak. We're going to draw the head. We're going to go up, round out the head. I'm going to blend this into the body, going all the way around, and we'll bring this down towards the banana peel. Now in this area here, we're going to draw a small circle for the eye, add a smaller circle on the top for highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Let's go up to the top and draw that spout with a small oval, and then fill that in black. Now underneath this fold, we'll draw the front of the body, coming around and then down. Let's add that large fin across the back. Start by going up and then out. Round out the fin, come down towards the back. Let's go back down to the bottom. Let's open up the banana, coming down and then across. And then from here, we're going to open up the peel, going up, across the body, and bring that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's round out the peel, bring this up and then in. Now it's going to round this out. Now we're going to draw the seam of the banana in the center. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's go back to this point. We're just going to draw the ridge of the banana peel. It's going to follow that curve going all the way around, down, and then blend that out. Let's draw the back peel, starting from the body, going up and then down. Round this out, go up and then in towards the side. Now go back down to the bottom, go up and then bend that in. Let's draw the edge of the peel, just following that curve going around the side. Now let's open up the peel on the left side. We're going to start up here, we're going to go up and then down. Round out the peel, go up toward the top and then in towards the side of the body. And we draw that thick ridge across the front of the peel. And we'll draw the front edge of the banana. Let's start up here, curve this down, and then out. Now the tip of the banana looks like a tail, so we're going to go up, out towards the end. Now right here we're going to draw an oval, go around the end. On the left side, bend this down, and then in. Now with the right side of the body, you want to continue underneath the peel, come down towards the bottom, and we'll pull that up towards the edge of the tail. Let's separate the tip with another curve. Let's add one more peel across the back, come in behind, come down towards the bottom, come down towards the tip, round this out, and pull that back up. Now I want to add that trim across the side of the head, starting from the mouth. I'm going to go across and then down towards the bottom. And we'll add a seam across the center. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's her job, Bananita Dolphinita. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.